All right, so here we are in my truck. Don't mind me, it's getting dark out already because it's like 4:40. But here's the edge, and here's the mount. It went on pretty good. There's two hooks that slide around the back, and then you glue. There's a piece of sticky tape on the back side of this main big bracket. You take the sticky tape off, you stick it here, and then you run this bracket through the middle, and it ends up looking really nice. So then you got driving around, and then you got your panel right here. So just plugged it in, and we'll actually turn the key on. Don't make fun of my Christmas tree. This thing needs a little bit of work. But yeah, so read the manual. Yeah, I'm a boy, of course I did. Yep, agree. And then yeah, I don't know, you can go in here and you can do a bunch of stuff. I'm mostly using this for rail pressure monitoring, just because I think I'm having a fuel related issue. I think the truck's gonna end up getting a AirDog fuel pump pretty soon. Oh damn, it's just gonna take forever. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you can do these 0 to 60 tests. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Performance test settings, diagnostic gauges. Wonder if this will work. Maybe I did something wrong. I'll skip that for now. Turn this off. I haven't had my truck fired up in over a week. It was really cold earlier this week. I'm really stoked about this though. I think it's going to be just enough out of the way where it's not going to be getting a ton of sun, or at least I can pretend, right? Yeah, I doubt this is that difficult. So I have to hook this thing up to Wi-Fi anyway? Well, that's kind of annoying. Oh, there we go. Here's gauges. So that's pretty slick. Torque converter, fuel level, boost, load, speed, battery, engine coolant temp, which means my block heater is working, so that's awesome. I just plugged that in a little bit ago. Intake temps. That's pretty sweet. Now I've got to figure out how to... I'm not really looking for themes, but how to get all of my gauges on here. No, I don't want this. But anyway, this thing's pretty cool. I want to go get a car wash because my truck is filthy. But yeah, I think we're going to play around with this thing a little bit. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got everything kind of the way I want it. So when this light turns green, we're going to do a little bit of a pull in the truck. And I'll just show you guys kind of what it's all reading. It's kind of cool. I like it. It keeps everything monitored real nice. And it shows me my gears and everything. So pretty cool. I like it so far. We'll see if I have any of those problems that these tend to have. Oh, turn first. Yeah, so we definitely have a rail problem where this thing's just not getting enough fuel. I did kind of ghetto repair the fuel lines, so we're definitely running out of rail pressure. It's definitely not commanding what it should be, and that must be due to flow reasons. Now it won't even let me accelerate. It's really mad. I wonder if I got another hole in the suction line or something. do have a check engine light again. I wonder if that's the rail pressure code. It's probably mad again. That's okay. But yeah, kind of cool. CTS. We gotta get my truck fixed. Figure out what these fuel line problems are. I think we're gonna order air dog here pretty quick and get that all installed. But thanks for watching. Edge CTS3. We finally got it mounted in the truck. It looks sweet, and it's gonna help us diagnose a bunch of problems. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.